are coming soon, so get ready. Okay.
Okay.
So, Speedy, did you tell them to be done by now?
Yeah.
That's not a surprise. Are you coming, lad?
Was.
What?
Is something wrong? It's
Inspector Eagle Eye is here.
CJ.
nothing to worry. It's nothing to worry about.
Oh.
You all know why I'm here.
And the cadets know too.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, we know.
Yes, sir? Yeah.
That's good, you know. If you forgot a bit, they're here to talk to you cadets. Yep. It's true, Rod.
I know. That's why Inspector Eagle Eye here. Just to talk?
Because he was.
The cadets are sleeping.
Yeah, it's nighttime.
They had a long morning. True.
Yeah.
Sometimes we end up having emergency calls at night, too. The cadets have to be ready.
Yeah.
Okay, who in the...
Not a...
Really?
That was mean of him, the bat. It happens a lot.
Swift's right.
First time it happened.
Yeah, in his mind, that's messed up.
Rod?
I'm okay. Oh, you worry.
Okay. Yeah, a little. Yeah,
That's not me.
it's okay.
Yeah.
That's not me.
I know. So, Speedy, did you tell them to be done by now?
You guys got an emergency call.
Sorry, it's early. It's okay.
Let it go. Yeah? Okay then.
Cadets know what to do.
Be careful next time, Batty McBat.
I am Bat.